Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take a look at raising exceptions in VA Smalltalk. We've looked at this in VisualWorks, we've looked at this in Pharo, and in VA it's pretty similar. Here I have a kind of artificial setup. I've got a variable that I've set to 10 and another to the string 2 so that I can do a test. Is var1 a string or is var2 a string? If they are, I want to raise an exception. And to do that, I take my exception class and I send signal to it with an argument of a string, and it will then raise the exception. So to see how that works, let's go ahead and highlight this. And we'll do an execute on it. And you can see now we get the debugger because we get down here to where we were signaling. You can see that our actual signal is sent. And you can come down here and see that we've actually signaled the right exception. So we've raised the message not understood. Now we fall into the default handling for that, which is in the development environment, of course, to go into the debugger. So you can see that things are doing the right thing. Now if you want to see the variations on this, you go into class exception. And you can see signal and signal colon, which takes text. If you want to see all the variations, you can go into private, and you'll see that there are a bunch of other messages in here. Actually, not private, go into all. And you'll see everything that's down here under the internal. So there are a bunch of things that you probably want to leave alone. But generally speaking, what you want to do is just go to the public API, and then use probably signal colon or signal, and just raise the exception. And this follows the ANSI spec. It works exactly the same way it does in VisualWorks or Pharo or Squeak or any of the other Smalltalks that also follow the ANSI spec. So that's about it for today. Until next time. Have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.